Welcome again to another episode of Cindy's Kitchen. I'm Cindy.
Hey.
Behind the camera is Michael. And Ginger and Teddy, I don't know where they are. Teddy! Ginger! So welcome back, guys, again. And today I took some breasts that I had in the freezer. And as you can see them, they're cut. I haven't seasoned them or anything. I was waiting to start the video because I want to do it together with you guys. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take a paper towel because these are chicken fingers that I'm gonna make, but when you're frying, you have to make sure that your meat is very dry, okay guys?
That's right.
That's very important because if you don't, then the oil is gonna like pop, 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 you know, like jump up, and the chicken, then it gets full of the water and it doesn't come out the same. That's the end thing. So anyways, we're gonna season it now. So here's some salt. I have to explain something to you guys. I usually eyeball my my seasonings, but you can put like 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon, half a tablespoon of pepper, and then 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and then this is just red pepper, but it's very hot, so it has, I think, 40,000 units, Mike.
Skull units.
Skull units, so it's very, very, very hot. So okay, so we put already salt and pepper, and now I'm gonna take my cumin, and I'm just gonna shake a little bit like this. You see, so it's gonna be like I said, like like 1 teaspoon of the cumin, definitely, and then 1 tablespoon of the oregano, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper. Okay, and it's going to be 1 teaspoon of the cumin because cumin is very, very strong. And now we're going to continue with the chili powder. I like putting a lot. Okay, so chili powder has like all the flavors of the peppers, of the chili peppers. Okay, and then here is our hot spice. Now this we got to be careful. Okay.
Oh yeah, put a lot.
But I know, Michael, but not like that much. And then what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to take my spoon with the other side. I'm going to turn the chicken because we're going to do the same thing all over again. Okay? So we're going to season the side that didn't get any dust on it, right?
That's right.
So we're going to do the salt. And here we go again. I think that's pretty good. We're going to do salt again. And again, when you're frying, okay, chicken or anything that you're frying, make sure you season it to taste, because the worst thing is you're eating a little piece of fried chicken that doesn't have enough salt. You know how bad is that? You kind of like lose interest right there, okay? So we already put the salt and the oregano, and this is my cumin, like that, and then chili powder on this side again. I like to put a little bit, a lot, you know. And then, of course, pepper. See? That's beautiful, huh, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to put more of this. And Michael wanted me to, like, Mama, make it really hot.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm like, well, how do you want it, my son? Oh, hot. Okay. So what I'm going to do, okay, I'm seasoning this here. And now I'm going to cover it, guys. Okay? Hold on a second. I'm going to get that lid that I have it right here. It's got the small one, right, Michael? We're going to cover this. I'm going to refrigerate it for like half an hour, okay, guys? Because I want all those seasonings to mix together into the chicken. Because when I come back, okay, just stay with me. So I said half hour in the fridge. When we come back, I'm going to be having my flour in here ready. And my egg whites. So I'm just going to use the egg whites, okay? And I'm going to batter it, and I'm going to put my flour in here, and then we're going to take those chicken fingers that I made, and we're going to put it through the egg wash and the flour and in my frying caldero that I have over here. So I'll see you guys in half hour. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you all. Guys, so we're back with my chicken fingers that are so deliciously seasoned. So they're ready to go. So I was just waiting for the oil to get hot. It's been 31 minutes actually, because I forgot. And Michael said, hey mama, the 30 minutes. So this is what I did. I took 4 eggs, and this is just the egg white, okay? I'm not gonna like batter it or anything. You don't do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me lower this a little bit. Michael, get back. 9 and 10 of them, okay? So I'm gonna put like 10 at a time. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put them in that egg white like that. And I gotta lower this because I want them to cook. So this is what I'm gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and one more, guys, 10. Okay, we're gonna switch again. Now this hot enough there, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna coat them like this. That's why I took this big Tupperware glass that I have here for serving food. See, and when they're like this now, they're gonna go in. 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit faster, 5, there we go, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go. Now I'm gonna wash my hands. Come on, Mike, you can follow me here. Let them fry. I'm gonna wash my hands because you know the flour, when it gets wet, it's sticky. It's kind of like glue. You know, a lot of people use it for glue in a lot of situations that we have. Okay, so now this is my dry rag. I'm gonna go like that, and I gotta let them cook like I said. See? Here we go. You see that, Mike?
Oh yeah, it's jumping a little.
And then, it's not jumping, it's fine. That's from the flour.
Oh.
So now with this big spoon, I'm gonna turn it. See? Turn. Wow, this one's really nice, Mike.
Oh yeah.
You turn it to the other side just like that, and we're gonna brown them, you know, necessarily, and then we're gonna take them out. And I'm gonna serve these the first batch for my husband, of course. Right, guys?
That's right.
That's all. Look at the puppies. Hey, Ginger. What's up, Mama? Come here. Come here. Say hi to Mom. Hi, Mama. Okay, okay. Oh, that's my little baby girl. Not yet, okay? When they're done, I'll take one for you and Teddy. Teddy! And what's Teddy, Mike? Do you know what he is?
Yeah, he was in the chair.
No, he's not. He's
There he
not
is.
there. Oh, there he is. Look at him. Yeah, he's sitting in your chair like a king. So anyway, look how pretty these are looking, guys. So they're gonna be very nice and
That looks
spicy. I know. I want them to brown a little bit more, you know,
But not overcooked.
not overcooked.
At the same
but
time.
exactly.
They
I
look
want them to be
juicy.
nice and juicy inside. But you want to cook it. You don't want to have that chicken finger chicken not cooked all the way. You know.
No.
We don't want to get sick, do we, Mike?
No.
No, Michael's like, no, Mama, never. There you go. So anyway, guys, today is like a very beautiful day here. I got up this morning, it was 80 degrees. I don't know what it is right now, but it's real nice. It's sunny, it's beautiful, it's warm. I'm going for my walk later because, like I
Ginger,
told
get away
you
from the
guys,
stove, Ginger.
I think I'm healing. I'm allowed to eat. I can eat bread, and that pain is not coming. I think God or something big saved me this time, right, Mike?
Oh yeah.
And I'm doing great, so I'm going to be eating a lot of things with you guys. This breading that I put, and you guys saw me, that was my organic flour, because yes, I can eat stuff, but I have to be careful, you know, because sometimes when you go to those fast food restaurants, all that frozen food, because it's pre-frozen, you know, it's pre-made, and when they deep fry it, it has a lot of stuff. So here we go, Michael, so I'm going to start taking them out. Ginger, you got to move from there, Mama. I don't want you to get burned. Nice. So 3, 5. Wow, those are really beautiful. 7, 8, 9. And one more, Mike. And 10. And here we go. Here are our delicious fried. What did I call them? Chicken fingers?
Spicy chicken fingers.
Spicy chicken fingers. So I'm going to take one, guys, because I want you guys to see that they are delicious as they look. And I'm just going to like make sure that you guys see how they are inside. So we're going to cut this together. So I'm gonna take one piece. You took your picture already, Mikey?
One more.
Okay. Got it?
Perfect.
Okay. So I'm just gonna take one of these guys. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
And this one I'm gonna cut it.
The taste
I wanna
test.
see how they look. What do you think
White
about
meat
that?
chicken.
How did that
What
look?
piece can
Look
I
at that.
have?
Huh? Wait. Look.
How does that taste?
Oh. Amazing, Michael.
A piece for me? All right, cheers.
Here. Very good. So, with that, I'll let you guys go. You guys know what to do. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel. Like my recipes. Thanks for watching, all you guys. You've been very supportive, all of you. Okay? Everybody out there that watches my channel. Oh, I do all these videos from my heart. So good. I'm gonna make some dipping sauce. You can feel in your mouth
The heat.
There
You
you
said
go.
at the same time.
So here's your chicken fingers, spicy chicken fingers. So love you all. Thanks for watching. Don't drink and drive. Love each other and see you soon.